Deep within a long-abandoned mansion, there lay a mirror with an ominous reputation. Legend has it that this cursed glass could reveal a person's inner demons, unleashing their darkest fears and insecurities. The mirror's first victim was a young woman named Isabella. One stormy night, she stumbled upon the mirror while seeking refuge in the mansion. As her reflection wavered in the dim light, her deepest anxieties came to life. She saw her own face twist into a grotesque mask of doubt and despair, her insecurities manifesting as nightmarish creatures clawing at her soul. Isabella tried to escape the mirror's sinister grip, but it had already seared her psyche. Day by day, her sanity unraveled as the mirror compelled her to confront her fears. Her sleepless nights were filled with tormenting visions, her mind a battleground for her inner demons. News of the cursed mirror's malevolence spread, attracting those who sought to test their inner strength. Each visitor fell victim to their own vulnerabilities, consumed by their worst nightmares. The mansion became a haunting asylum of shattered minds. As time passed, the mirror's true nature revealed itself. It wasn't merely reflecting demons, it was feeding their torment, growing stronger with each soul it ensnared, and so, the cursed mirror's malevolence endured, a twisted reflection of the darkness lurking within those who dared to gaze into its abyss.